Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's have a look at sticky and then fixed positions. Let me create a div for sticky position. Div sticky. The class name is sticky. You can assign any class name you want. Let's add a text. This is sticky text and save it. Let's assign another div. Say lorem 200 and save it. See the text here. Let's create another div for fixed area. This is fixed text and let's save it. You see the text here. Let's assign some CSS to sticky and fixed area. As I said before, you can give different names if you want. Let's copy. Let's assign a background color blue and save it. Make it color white. We save it. If you want, you can put some distance between box and sticky text. We just need to add margin tab as we did in our previous videos. Let's say 10 pixels and save it. Let's assign another style for fixed area. Let's give background color yellow, green and color white and save it. Let's give margin for that one too, 10 pixels and save it. So we are going to make that text sticky, position web sticky and position sticky and top 0 and save it. You see that it stick at top. If you want, you can assign different values for top. You see, 10 pixels. Let's make it again 0 and save it. Let's have a look at fixed area. Position, fix it and save it. I need to make it a little bit small, that browser, to show it to you guys. You see guys, you can see the text here. Let me move the fixed area a little bit above to make it better. Let's say add here, middle of the text and save it. Let's make it a little bit bigger. You see guys, that text is fixed that position. It doesn't change. Let's say bottom 0 and save it. You see guys, that text is bottom of our browser because we added to that one. We use fixed area sometimes for menu, sometimes for footer section, and sometimes for displaying text. You can use for different purposes. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.